A very good morning, children. Welcome to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guruvayur. I am Vijayalakshmi, your maths teacher. Children, today I am going to revise the lesson Addition and Subtraction of Higher Numbers from Semester 1. Okay, so shall we go for the revision? Okay.
Addition of 3-digit numbers without regrouping.
So children, let us add the 3-digit number 236 with 142. So do you remember what we have to do first? Yes, first we have to add the digits in the ones place. So what is 6 plus 2? 6 in mind and 2 in hand. After 6, 7, 8. Now let us add the digits in the tens place. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 will give you, yes, it is equal to 7. And now let us add the digits in the hundreds place. That is 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So the answer is 378. So this is the addition of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay?
Addition of 2-digit numbers with regrouping.
Now children, let us do the addition of 2-digit numbers with regrouping. So how do we start? Yes, from the ones place. So we have to add 8 and 4. So 8 plus 4 is equal to, yes, how to do it? 8 in mind and 4 in hand. After 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay? So we have the number 12. And so we have to write 2 in ones place and 1 is carried over to the tens place. Okay? Because we have regrouped the number 12 into 1 10 and 2 ones. So now let us add the digits in the tens place. So 1 plus 5 will give you, yes, 6. Now 6 plus 3, 6 in mind, 3 in hand. After 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the answer is 92.
So this is how we do the addition of 2-digit numbers. Addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping in ones.
So now children, let us add the 3-digit numbers with regrouping in ones place. Okay? So first let us add the digits in the ones place. What are the digits in the ones place? 9 and 5. So what is 9 plus 5? 9 in mind, 5 in hand. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, there are 14 ones. And so we have to regroup it as 1, 10 and 4 ones. So we have to write 4 in ones place and 1 in tens place. Now, next we have to add the digits in the tens place. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5 and 5 plus 1, yes, it is equal to 6. Okay. Now let us add the digits in the tens place. Now let us add the digits in the hundreds place. 3 plus 2. What is 3 plus 2? Yes, very easy, isn't it? 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. So we have the sum as 349 plus 215, which is equal to 564. Okay?
Addition of 3-digit numbers with regrouping in ones and tens.
And let us add the 3-digit numbers with regrouping in both tens and ones place. Okay? So how should we do that? Let us see. First, let us add the digits in the ones place. So what is 8 plus 4? 8 in mind, 4 in hand. After 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So we have 12 ones and it is regrouped as 1 10 and 2 ones. Okay? So we have 2 ones and 1 tens. Now let us add the digits in the tens place. So what is 1 plus 5? Yes, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. Now add 6 plus 7. So again take 6 in mind and 7 in hand. And so you have after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. So you have 13 tens here. Okay, so you have 13 tens. 13 tens is equal to 103 tens. Okay, so 3 is written in the tens place and 1 is carried over to the hundreds place. Now let us add the digits in the hundreds place now. 1 plus 3, yes, 4, and 4 plus 2, yes, 6. So the answer is 632.
Subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping.
So now children, let us do and learn the subtraction of 3-digit numbers. First, let us do the subtraction of 3-digit numbers without regrouping. Okay? So I hope you remember how to do the subtraction. First, we shall start from the ones place. Yes. So what are the digits in the ones place? 3 and 2. So what is 3 minus 2? From 3 take away 2 and you have 1. So 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Next, let us subtract the digits in the tens place. That is 5 minus 1. And 5 minus 1 will give you 4. Now, subtract the digits in the hundreds place. Yes, 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 will give you 2. Okay, so we have the difference. The difference as, yes, 241. The answer for subtraction is called difference. Okay, so that is why I use the term difference there. Okay, children?
Subtraction of 3-digit numbers with regrouping in tens.
Let us do the subtraction of 3-digit numbers with regrouping in tens place. Okay? So we have to subtract 156 from the number 374. Okay, so where should we start from? Yes, from the ones place. Now 4 minus 6. But 4 is smaller than 6. Can you take away 6 from 4? No. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to regroup the number in the tens place, that is 7. So you have 7 tens here and I am going to regroup it and write it as 6 tens and 10 ones. Okay? So you have 10 ones here and 10 ones plus 4 ones will give you 14 ones. Yes? We give you 14 ones. Now subtract from 14 6. 14 ones minus 6 ones will give you, how do we do the subtraction? 14 in mind and 6 in hand. Okay? Now before 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. Okay? So 14 minus 6 is 8. Now let us subtract the digits in the tens place. 6 minus 5. What is 6 minus 5? Yes, 6 minus 5 will give you 1. So we have 6 minus 5 is equal to 1. Now let us subtract the digits in the hundreds place. That is 3 minus 1 and that is equal to 2. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. So the difference or the answer is 280. So children, this is how we subtract 3-digit numbers with regrouping in tens place.
Subtraction of 3-digit numbers with regrouping in tens and hundreds.
Now, let us learn to subtract the 3-digit numbers with regrouping in tens and hundreds place. Okay? So, first let us start from the ones place. Now, you can see that 5 is smaller than 6. So, we have to regroup the digits in the tens place. 4 tens can be written as 3 tens and 10 ones. So, can we add 10 ones and 10 plus 5 will give you 15 ones. So, we can write here 15 ones. Now, 15 minus 6 is equal to, yes, 15 in mind and 6 in hand. So, before 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 and 9. So, we have 15 minus 6 is 9. Now, again you can see that we have to subtract from 3, 5. Is it possible? No. So, we have to regroup the digit in the hundreds place. So, it can be regrouped as 4 hundreds can be regrouped as 3 hundreds and Okay. So now 10 tens and 3 tens will give you 13 tens. Okay. So now 13 minus 5 is 13 in mind and 5 in hand. Before 13, 12, 11, 10, 9 and 8. So 13 minus 5 is 8. Now 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Yes. So we have subtracted the digits in the hundreds place also. So we have the answer as 189. Okay. So children, this is how we subtract 3-digit numbers with regrouping in tens and hundreds place. So children, I hope you have understood how to do addition and subtraction of higher numbers. Practice more problems, children, and work out story problems in it so that you can learn the concepts very easily. So go through the YouTube video and write the revision test. See you again in another class. Until then, goodbye. Stay safe and stay home.